The day world stopped trusting one factory. What if I told you the world is quietly rewriting the rules of power? Not with war, not with politics, but with factories. Hello friends, I am Alok Oak and you're watching Yugaswar. For 30 years, one country controlled the world's manufacturing engine. The country called China. Everything from your phone to your laptop to the latest electronic chip made in China. But today, something is changing, and that's happening faster than most people realize. So, the world is no longer comfortable depending on just one country. Why? Because the risk has entered the system. Trade wars, geopolitical tensions, rising labor costs, supply chain disruptions, and suddenly the question changed from who is the cheapest to who is the safest. And in that moment, new player stepped in. Not loudly, not aggressively, but steadily. And that player is India. Yes, you heard that right. That player is India. Let's talk facts. Apple Inc., the world's most valuable company, is now rapidly shifting production to India. In 2025 alone, tens of millions of iPhone were assembled in India. And that's not a pilot project. That's a production. That's a strategic shift. And here's the headline that shocked the industry. For first time ever, India briefly exported more iPhones to the US than China in single month. Let that sink in. A country that was once an importer, yes, the country that was once an importer is now competing with the world's biggest manufacturing giant. The shift has a name, China +1. It means don't depend on one country, have a backup. And today, India is not just a backup. India is becoming the preferred alternative. Yes, India is becoming the preferred alternative. And why? Because the ecosystem is aligning. The government incentives like PLI schemes are pushing manufacturing at an unprecedented scale. So, electronics production has surged to tens of billions of dollars annually. Exports are growing faster than ever before, and now India is entering the most critical space of all, the semiconductors, the brain behind every modern device. But let's not get carried away. India is still not China. China has built this ecosystem over the decades. World-class infrastructure, deep supply chains, unmatched scale, and India still faces logistic challenges, land and regulatory complexities, and dependence on imports. But here's the game-changing difference. China optimized for efficiency and India is optimizing for resilience. And in today's uncertain world, resilience wins. So, this is not just about replacing China. This is about redistributing power, because the future of manufacturing is not one giant factory. It's the network of trusted partners, and India is becoming the most critical node in that network. China made the world dependent. India is helping the world become independent, and that changes everything. If this opened your eyes, hit the like button, subscribe for sharp, no noise insight, and share this with someone who still thinks the world hasn't changed. Because the biggest shifts don't make noise at first, they reshape the future silently. Jai Hind.